Hi, I'm Ange from Tupperware, loving my Tupperware as I usually do. I'm actually putting some veggies away today, so I just saw in the Ventsmart, of course. Now I just have another tip for you. When you are putting your vegetables in the Ventsmart, it's a good idea to keep the lid off for a little bit of time so that the container and the fruit all get nice and cool without a barrier. So when you've got the lid on, that sort of stops the cold air getting to the fruit or the vegetables. So if you leave the lid off for say 10-15 minutes, or just next time I go to the fridge, I'll think, oh, I haven't put the lids on, and that jogs my memory. So the same with the clear mates, for ham, bacon, other deli meats, always put them in a cold container, so keep your containers in the fridge as well, and leave the lids off for a little while, just so that the moisture gets out of the meat, because that will actually make the meat turn bad quicker. So there's another little tip for you.